Hello and welcome back to my channel. Do you want to find out your prospect social media URLs for free? Then this is a custom formula hack in Google Sheets that you can use it for free. If you are a digital marketer, then this video will be very useful for you. So if you want to find out social media URLs for your competitors, then use this custom formula hack. So in the cell type is equal to get social links. So it will get social media URLs from the domains that you have inserted. So get social links, and in place of domain you need to select the cell referencing of these domains and close the bracket and press enter. Now simply drag this till the end so that you get all other social links for other domains as well. So here you can see within few seconds we got all the social media channel links for all these domains, right? So this is how simple it is to use this custom formula hack in Google Sheets. So if you want to try it from your end, then I will insert this Google Sheets link in my video description. You can go and check it out. If this video was useful, then please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.